What's up, guys? It's me again, Christian Rodriguez, and so I wanted to make a brief little video, and I just want to show you guys how to connect to Slack using n8n and create an automation. I'm going to do the basic. I'm just going to do like the AI chatbot, and I'm going to connect Slack for you guys, just so you guys can understand a little bit, so you guys could understand, and maybe you guys could apply Slack into you guys could create some workflows using Slack. So I'll start off with the AI chatbot. That's chatbot. Chats. Agent, my bad. Agents. That's what I meant to say. But you guys know what I'm talking about. All right. Scroll here. And now for the chat model. You can use OpenAI. That's a very straightforward, simple one to use. Or you can use Anthropic, which I also have an account for. But for now, I'm going to use OpenAI chat model. If you need, use your credentials. If you don't know how to put in your credentials, open this doc, and it should teach you how to put the credentials in. Right? And when I make a AI agent, I always just like to test it. Hello. You could say something like, my name is Christian. Let me put this down. Cool. My name is Christian Rodriguez. Right? That's my name, Christian Rodriguez. You tell it that. It's the same as using ChatGPT. If I went into ChatGPT and I type, it's the same thing. So now we have to add memories. We have to add some tools to make it better than ChatGPT. But as of right now, this second, it's basically the same thing. So, what is my name? It's not going to remember. It doesn't remember because it doesn't have a memory. So we're going to go here and we're going to put a memory. So we're going to put simple memory. Right? And then we're going to focus on, let's see. What we're going to do is we're going to go here. We're going to take this thing out. And we're going to go to Slack. So we're gonna go to Slack. We're gonna put on any event for now. So I'm gonna create a new one for you guys, and we need an access token, right? So if you don't have a Slack account, I already have one ready, but I just want to show you guys. So you have a Slack account ready. I have AI automation enthusiast, right? I have my own little group KDB solo. All right, guys. So in order to connect Slack, we're going to add a new channel. So we're going to go here. We're going to create a new channel. Okay, next. Channel name, I'm going to name it Video Demo. Video Demo. and I'm just going to leave it public, right? Add all members, whatever. Yeah, that's fine. Awesome. Created a new channel. All right. So in order to connect, now you have to open up a new tab, and I would go to api.slack.com and just go to your apps right here. So from the home screen in Slack API, you want to go here, and then you want to create a new app. So we're gonna create it from scratch. Should give me. All right, so we're gonna create it from scratch. We're gonna name it demo video, and I might make another app. Give me one moment. All right, so we're gonna put it into AI automation enthusiast. We're gonna put create app. Awesome. So let's see. We're gonna go back here. Short description. Demo of video. Right. Pick a color. I'll pick blue. Why not? I'm gonna save changes. Cool. Next, you're gonna click auth and permissions. OAuth and permissions. Right. All right, guys. So we're gonna scroll down to scopes. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go to channel history. Chat. Oops. Chat right. Then it's gonna be files read. And then it's gonna be files right. Cool. Cool. I'm gonna add one more, and that's group history. That should be good for now. And then we want to install the app into our workspace right here. So you want to click on this. So after you click on this, a screen should come up, and you should click allow, and then it should provide you with your access token. And then with this access token, you could put it into this right here. And since I already have the credentials, I'm just going to leave it here. So I'm still going to add the Slack module, but this time I'm going to put send a message instead. So you want to go here, you want to go to send a message. Sorry, but I don't know your name. Channel, user. Awesome. So I actually ended up just putting it anyway. I put the demo video, but we're going to go to the channel. And in order for us to do that, I'll just put test. And then we're going to go to channel. So we're going to go back to Slack. Right. And since I have a video demo channel already, I'm going to click here. You're going to go to the bottom of this. You're going to take the channel ID, right? And then you're going to go back to n8n. And then you're just going to by ID, and you're going to put channel ID right here. Let's test it. So I'll save it. Let's let's test this. Now we're going to go back to Slack and test it. Where is it? Just one more step. One more step before we test this. We have to go back to Slack. One thing I forgot to do. We're gonna go to integrations. You gotta click add an app. So right here, where it says video demo, I'll go back. I'll show you. So where it says video demo, click here. You're gonna go to integrations. You're gonna go to add an app, and then you see your app, the app that I made demo video. We're gonna click add, and now we should be able to test. And it went through the test. Awesome, so it worked for now. What I'm gonna do is, I know I moved this earlier, but I'm gonna move it back. Here, and then we're gonna add another Slack module. We're gonna Slack. We're gonna trigger on any event. Demo video. So basically the same thing. We're gonna go back here. We're gonna go by ID, and then by ID, we're gonna go fill out this field right here, and we're gonna go back to. We're gonna go back to Slack. We're gonna go back to the video demo channel, and go to get the channel ID from here. We're gonna go back. We're gonna paste it here. But now we have to do something a little differently. We have to take this webhook URL. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and then we're going to go back to the Slack API, right? And then from the Slack API, we're going to go to event subscriptions. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to enable event. And before we put this URL in, we're going to go back to Slack trigger. We're going to click execute step. And while it's waiting, we are going to, I have so many tabs open. We are going to go back to the request URL. We're going to put it in here. And then we're going to go to bot events. And then from here, we're going to type message. Message channels, and then message group. Awesome. And then we're going to save changes. And now you go back to n8n. This thing has to move. We can probably stop this thing. Let's see. Hello. And after running this, it didn't work because we had this changed. Remember, it was originally a chat widget, chat node, and now it's a Slack trigger. So this has to change too. So instead of connect chat trigger node, we're going to put define below. And then from define, you're going to put the text here. Make sure it's on expression. Should be good. Let's execute it again. No session ID found. Let's see. All right, so it's failing because you got to go back to memory, and the session ID is not working. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here, session ID. We're gonna go to define below, and then we're gonna go to key. Now I copied and pasted this from another one of my projects I'm working on. So it's just it works the same one. I'm gonna paste it here and make sure it's on expression. If not, it won't work. But what I would do is I would pause the video and just copy this word for word, right? And then it should be good. But then I'm going to save that. I'm going to run a test to see if it's good. And you see it's working, and it worked. Perfect. Well, I'll leave it at that for you guys. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. And feel free to leave a comment below. Shoot and follow if you enjoy these videos. And yeah, take care.